In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge QuickBooks vendors. If you've ever ended up with duplicate vendor profiles, maybe one was added with a slightly different spelling or punctuation, merging them is the cleanest way to keep your list tidy and your reports accurate. When you merge vendors in QuickBooks, all transactions from the duplicate move into the one you keep and the extra profile goes away. Because this change is permanent, take a moment to be sure you're merging the right records. If you want extra peace of mind, consider exporting your vendor list first, so you have a snapshot of what things looked like before. Let's get started by heading to QuickBooks and signing into your company. Once you're in, go to Expenses and Pay Bills. This takes you to the area where you manage spending, bills, and vendor activity. From here, click on Vendors. This opens the full vendor directory where you can search, sort, and compare names to spot duplicates. Now choose the vendor profile you want to merge into another. A good rule of thumb is to open the version you do not want to keep, the one with fewer transactions or the one that's misspelled. Open that vendor's details so you can make an edit. Before you change anything, quickly review the profile to confirm it's truly a duplicate. Check recent transactions, addresses, and any tax details. If this profile contains unique information you need, make a note of it now, because after the merge, the surviving profile's details are what remain. Next, click Edit. In the Display Name field, type the exact display name of the vendor you want to keep. Exact means exact. Same spelling, capitalization, spacing, and punctuation. To avoid typos, you can copy the display name from the vendor you're keeping and paste it here. Be sure there aren't extra spaces at the beginning or end of the name. When the two display names match perfectly, QuickBooks will recognize that you're trying to combine them and prompt you to confirm the merge. Read the prompt carefully, then confirm. QuickBooks will move all past transactions, bills, and payments from the duplicate into the vendor you're keeping, and the duplicate profile will be removed. Afterward, return to the vendors list and search for the name you kept. Open it and spot check a few transactions to make sure everything looks consolidated. That's it. Your vendor list is cleaner, your reports will be more consistent, and you'll avoid confusion the next time you pay a bill or run an expense report.